In this video, I'll show you how I turn one AI article into a complete content system. Most people write one post, publish it, and then start again from zero. They repeat the same process every single day. But that's not necessary. One good article can generate many different pieces of content. First, I create a longer article using the Simplified AI writer. This article becomes the starting point for all future content. Instead of thinking about new ideas every day, I focus on extracting value from what I already have. Then I start looking for strong ideas inside the text. One paragraph can easily become a short social media post. Another idea can turn into a second post. A different section can become a third piece of content. Sometimes I can even turn one article into 5 or more posts. This saves time. It reduces stress, and it makes content creation much more consistent. Instead of creating one post, we create several pieces of content from the same source. This is how one article turns into a content system. You don't start from zero every time you publish. You reuse ideas, you edit the message, you adapt the format, and you share it across different platforms. So remember this: we don't create just one piece of content. We build a content system.